Sisi hatuna wanaume sasa. Watoto wameisha kwa upande.
Now, anti-corruption watchdog EACC has sent out a memo to county governments to ensure they have operational internal audits units and committees. Now, our reporter Francis Ode is on this beat and now joins us live. Francis?
We have cases where public officials, including senior ones, in some cases at the very top in the counties, have converted public assets to personal property. We have seen cases where people continuously use county vehicles when they are not public officials, and that is with the knowledge and the connivance of county officials. Cases where individuals shamelessly fuel personal vehicles for their children using fuel cards meant for the county government. We have seen cases where people collude with thieves to grab government land vested in the county governments. And this is partly because of this other loophole that we talked about, and that is where many of them have not maintained asset register. You know, if you are a public institution and you do not have records that show the property that is vested under your care and control, honestly, how can you say that you are serving public interest, or you are taking care of the assets that the people of Kenya have bestowed in you? So that is one of the gaps that we have identified. Cases where a county government cannot tell what they would regard as property owned by that county. And another disturbing one is also the fact that in some of those county governments, key public assets are still registered under the defunct local authorities. The properties have not been transited, and that is a loophole that has been utilized by corrupt officials to grab those assets. There is no shortage of examples where public officials have gone to look for retired officers who had authority to sign certain things when they were in office, to ask them to sign documents and backdate them, and in the result allocate property to grabbers. So when you have cases where...
Right, of course, it's all about the EACC auditing counties. We're taking a short commercial break here on Weekend at 1. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.